Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we are doing veal parmesan in our deluxe air fryer. Now, this is a quick and easy recipe, and you will be so surprised at how just dang delicious it is. And, you know, it's in the air fryer, so win, 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 right? Okay, let's get started. What you're gonna need is 4 slices of veal cutlets, 2 eggs, 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs or panko, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 4 teaspoons of vegetable oil, marinara sauce, half of a cup of mozzarella, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan, and 1 pound of cooked pasta. All right, if you are cooking along with me, you're gonna want to get your pasta cooked and your sauce warmed. All right, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is crack our eggs into a shallow bowl and give them a good mix. Now, this recipe is for 4 veal cutlets. My cutlets are a little bit thinner than most, so I might get 6 to 8 out of it. But if not, I'm just gonna double the recipe. Also, if you're making this right now, go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 350. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want the interference in my mic. All right, next we're gonna add our teaspoon of Italian seasoning to our Italian breadcrumbs. Yes, that seems like double duty because it is. So go ahead and mix those together. You're also gonna add all of your Parmesan cheese. Once that's all mixed in, we are then going to add our oil to our breadcrumbs. Say what? No, it's true. Add your oil to your breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna use a fork and mix that all around. And we're just kind of going to make this into kind of like, I was gonna say breadcrumb texture, but when you're making cake or stuff like that, that makes more sense. But basically we're gonna do thick breadcrumby type texture here. So everything kind of sees a little bit of the oil. And the reason behind this is so that we don't have to spray our cutlets. It's because the oil is gonna already be in our breadcrumbs. So it kind of prevents us from losing some of that beautiful breadcrumminess on the outside. When your breadcrumbs look like wet sand, it's time to move on. And we're gonna save our mozzarella for finishing. All right, so we are gonna take each one of our little veal cutlets, so cute. See, mine are awfully small. And we are going to dredge them in our egg, and then we're gonna drip it off. And then we are going to set it in our breadcrumbs, and we're going to press. Now, it is important that you press down because this is not gonna wanna stick very well unless you do that. So press down, and then voila. First veal cutlet is already done. See, that's why you have to have everything ready to go, because this recipe comes together so fast, especially when you have little veal cutlets like this. These are so thin, but they're so delicious. And you're gonna want to, you'll notice right here on my trays for my deluxe air fryer, I've actually put parchment down, and that's so that those breadcrumbs don't fall through and it doesn't stick to your pan. If you don't want to use parchment in your air fryer, that's okay. What you're going to want to do is spray your tray really, really well because these guys will stick. All right, 1 tray done. All right, that amount was absolutely perfect for the amount of cutlets I had. It was just 1 package. All right, except I don't have enough room in my air fryer for them all. That's fine. We'll get them in there in turns. All right, and once your air fryer is preheated, we are gonna get it into the air fryer for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to want to flip these. And when you flip them, take the parchment paper away. You won't need it anymore. So, 5 minutes, flip 5 minutes, and then we will check the doneness, and then it may need another 5 minutes or so, but probably not, because these are pretty thin. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and push cancel. I will get this one in right at the top, and then get this one in. I can actually get all of my racks in, but I'll have to swap them around. It's not gonna work like that. So there you go. Just the top one is going to take that full 10 minutes. So at 5 minutes, I will swap racks around, flip them all over, and I'll be back when we're ready to plate up. That's it. Oh, make sure your noodles are done and your sauce. I'll work on that too. All right. We're at the halfway point, so let's go ahead and take it out and look at how those are looking. They look fantastic, right? So what we'll do here is we will just flop them over. Dink, just like that. Then we'll get that right back in to the top. And then the other ones don't quite look like they have anything going on. So those will take that extra 5 minutes. All right, I'll be back when they're all ready done. Okay, the timer has gone off. Let's check these out. And oh my goodness, those look amazing. Okay, let's set them there. I'm gonna move these up and they're gonna get their place to shine. My suggestion is only put one in at a time. It only takes 10 minutes, no big deal. All right, and now we're gonna take these beautiful veal parmesan, set them right on top of our bed of noodles. Oh my goodness, those look freaking fantastic. Which side's better? Oh, they're both so gorgeous. And then we're gonna take some of our sauce that we have pre-made and we're gonna drape it right over the center. And then we will take, last but not least, our mozzarella and sprinkle that over the top. And then you guys, if you wanna put a little parsley, definitely do that to give it just one more sprig of color. And of course, I'm gonna go for the dried stuff because it's all I ever have. I should just grow parsley, but whatever. There we go, and voila! Dinner is almost served. I mean, one person can eat anyway. But would you check out that amazing veal parmesan? Oh my. All right, and while that's finishing up for everyone else, let's dig into this and see what I can show you. I can show you what's going on. All right, so we'll just take a little corner off right over here. Oh, nice and tender. I won't even eat it with noodles right now, even though I want to. It is very tender. 10 minutes is perfect. And of course, a bite with the noodles. Oh, it's so crunchy. Take some of these noodles, take some of that veal, and You like veal parmesan and you like getting dinner done in less than 15 minutes? This is a recipe for you. All right, you guys. Well, this is about to be done and I'm gonna go feed my family. If you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week and I'm always looking for the next adventure. Veal parmesan in the air fryer. I love my air fryer and I know a lot of you do too. So if you're curious if something can be made in the air fryer, ask me. If I know, I'll let you know, and if I don't know, maybe I'll do it next. But if you have any ideas for me, leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you on the next adventure. Bye.